Tatay's really miss to eat sausage rolls and what else, Tay? Curry pie.
Curly pie.
Yeah.
Karang.
Carlang?
Curly pie.
Colorblay?
Kamote.
What else? But
Saging.
yeah, saging. But he likes to eat curry pie.
To eat coffee.
Coffee.
No sugar.
No sugar. Is that no sugar? Mine is got the sugar, isn't it? What else? What else we gonna have to eat here?
Kebab, bub.
Huh? Kebab.
Kebab.
You got kebab?
You can get
Kebab.
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 You can get them in Devour. I have them in Devour.
Yeah.
Kebab, it's just meat.
Just
They have,
meat.
Like a flatbread. They have lettuce, tomato, onion.
Yeah.
Then they have either chicken or you can get donuts. So the chicken's all marinated. And they put it in, they roll it
Yeah.
up, and then they
Kalami. Kalami bitaw.
Okay.
So,
Here,
beef
eat
na
that-
mura
that
siya ug kuano niya butangan og mga
fried it. Just
You have
Just make
shawarma
sandwich.
here. You have those little shawarma.
yeah.
You like mango float?
Mango fruit?
It's very delicious.
Is it?
You open.
Mango fruit. Did you do it?
Mukha ni Dagtam is.
Of course.
Kutsara, kutsara.
Where is kutsara? Spoon. Kutsara,
It's
kutsara.
very luwag.
Luwag.
Luwag, come here. Luwag. Yes, very big.
It's very nice. Okay. Tanawa ko no be og ganahan na siya. Ganahan siya ana. All right. Oh, I got it here. Okay, tatay here. Here, you got it. Okay, try it.
Right.
Try it.
Okay, try it.
Try it.
Mango float.
Mango float.
Wow. Kuya Juan. Makachok man na. Unsa man? What is it?
Very nice.
Very
Masarap.
yum yum.
Lami daw,
Yum
lami.
yum. Lami. Uy, lami.
Lami daw.
Tanawa, gilamian lagi siya. Oh. Tay. Tay, that is how much is it? 150 pesos. Yes? How much is it?
Just $3.
$3? How much is $3?
I think it's
100 kapin.
500 pieces.
just
Oh, so $2 is nasa mga 70, mga 80,
$800.
$2.
80 pesos.
The $1 value is 55, 53.
Dili, naami sa mga
Ay, lahi man ninyo no.
38,
Sila na
something like
Di
that.
ko na sila, dili use dollars.
Dili pounds.
Good snack.
Okay, yum. Good snacks. Okay, I'm gonna eat that too.